Most of our PowerPoint presentations contain really important text content on each page, but that text is usually heavily formatted, and it's not so easy to copy and paste into applications outside of the Microsoft Office ecosystem. To help solve that problem, I'll demonstrate how you can use the Cloudmersive PowerPoint to text conversion API in Power Automate to easily create a plain, unformatted text file containing all the text contents from a PowerPoint document. There are a few types of flows we can set up to convert our PowerPoint documents, but I'm just going to create an instant cloud flow for this demonstration. On the flow diagram page, let's start by setting up an action to retrieve our PowerPoint file. I'll be using a file in OneDrive, so I'm searching for the OneDrive Get File Content action and adding that into my flow. After I follow the folder path and select my file, I'm ready to set up the Cloudmersive conversion step. Let's click New Step and type Cloudmersive into the search bar. From here, let's go ahead and click on the Cloudmersive Document Conversion connector with the lime green logo from the list of options below. If we haven't used this connector before, we'll be asked to provide an API key at this stage, and we can get one easily by registering a free account on the Cloudmersive website. Once we save that information, we'll jump to the actions list, and from here we can search Convert PowerPoint and select the action that specifies a text conversion from the list below. Everything is incredibly easy in Power Automate, and this is no different. In our first request field, we just need to include our OneDrive file content using the Dynamic Content window, and in our second request field, we can either copy our file name from the previous step or write in any name we want. After that, we're all done with our conversion step. For the final step in our flow, let's use our text contents to create a text file in the same location we found our original file. Let's click New Step, type Create File, and then select the action which corresponds with our storage location. I'm using OneDrive again, so I'm selecting that option, and within this action's parameters, I'm using the folder path to specify where I want my new file to go. After that, I'm naming my file loremipsum.txt, and finally, I'm selecting the Cloudmersive Document Conversion API output labeled Text Result from the Dynamic Content window. Now let's go ahead and save our flow. Once that wraps up, let's run a quick manual test to create our new file. Once we see that all of our flow actions worked correctly, let's head to our file destination and see what the results looked like. In my folder, I can see that I now have a new lorem ipsum text file. When I open it up, I can scroll down and confirm that each slide of my very simple lorem ipsum presentation has been converted into plain, unformatted text in an easily readable format. I can now use this text in any application and share it anywhere without having to worry about formatting or compatibility issues. That concludes this demonstration. Thanks for watching, and definitely check back in for more demonstrations of useful Cloudmersive APIs in Power Automate.